online now for your free guidebook, medical report, and DVD, and see how you can restore your hair with Bosley.
You know, you get the teeth fixed, you know, whatever your haircut. Really pretty simple stuff.
You don't have to accept going bald. Choose to do something about it right now. Call 1-800-358-5647. That's 1-800-358-5647. Call now.
Before it began, we exchanged the telephone again in the old slave quarters. As soon as I said this to me, it felt like something was in my face. We actually have an orb and sound that goes from one side of the room to the other side. I was terrified.
All new My Ghost Story, Saturday at 10, only on Bio. By the time Queen Latifah was in her early 30s, she'd proven she could act, but she'd never been in a Hollywood blockbuster. Then in 2002, she played Mama Thornton, the tough-talking prison matron